Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the new marketing in your vehicle. We're going to get this thing done. We're going to talk about a whole lot of things on this new channel. We're going to talk about starting up a business, business credit, affiliate marketing, funnels, sales funnels, email marketing, target marketing, all of that good stuff we're going to cover. Those are going to be videos over time, all right? So check this out. Today's video, we're going to discuss how to be business ready going into 2021. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get it. Yo, check this out. So you want to start a business to be financially free, or you want to start a business to basically have a good side hustle, or you already have a business and you want to make sure that your business itself is set up properly so you can take advantage of a lot of benefits that not only the government, local, state government have for you, and there's some grants out there that can help you out of your business just as well. So you want to get started? Let's get started. First thing you need to do to make sure that you are eligible for anything that goes on with money-wise and grant-wise and all of this wise is you need to make sure that you are registered with the Secretary of State. All right? Register your business in your state with your Secretary of State. Here's why. Banks and lenders will not lend you money for these four purposes. But the first purpose, the main purpose is you can say you're a company, but if you're not registered to show up in anybody's database, guess what? You're not going to get the funding that you want to either grow, scale, start, none of that. It's not going to happen. So what you need to do is register with the state of Kentucky. Or for my case, it was the state of Kentucky. I'm sorry. But you need to register with your Secretary of State. And when you do that, guess what? Now people can start to look at you as a legitimate business. Number two, we're going to jump into this. We're going to keep it moving because I only want to make these videos nice, short, and sweet. Number two, go to the IRS. Sign up for your EIN number. That's free. That's free. Off the drip. That's free. This way, your EIN number is just like your Social Security number. This is how you start to build business credit. Having your EIN number will help people identify exactly who you are as a business entity. All right, so go to the IRS, sign up for your EIN number, and then we go to step 3. Once you sign up for your EIN number, step 3 is you go to Dun & Bradstreet. Now, Dun & Bradstreet is the business credit bureau, just like Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian are for small businesses. For individuals. These three over here is all rolled up into one over here. So when you have Dun & Bradstreet, this is for your business credit. When you have Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, these are for your personal credit. All of this is important because going down the line, Dun & Bradstreet will show people that you have business credit, you are business savvy, and that this is where you can start building relationships with lenders, banks, and places like that. Now, number 4, and this is important because this will help you out with everything that we talked about in the first half of this video. Get you a business checking account. Once you have a business checking account and you start to show monies going into that account, 3 months worth, I think it's 3 months worth of bank statements, companies will feel like that you are legit and they want to deal with you. All right. So you have to understand that you have to be smart. In order to be mixed in the business, you need to register with the Secretary of State. You need to get your EIN number. You need to register with Dun & Bradstreet and go and get you a business checking account. Now, out of all of that, you've probably spent anywhere from 40 to 60 bucks versus going somewhere else and letting them charge you $200 to do all of that. Take the time out when you invested in yourself. Take the time out, invest in yourself. Learn how to do it. Get it done, because the IRS is free. Dun & Bradstreet's free. And all you have to do is probably deposit a few bucks in a checking account. And outside of that, you probably only spent out of pocket 40 to 60 bucks. Maybe, let's round it up between $40 and $100. All right, man, thank y'all for stopping by. Like I said, we're going to keep these videos real short. You can always find me on YouTube. You can always find me on my TikTok page. TikTok is very important. But right here, these videos on Facebook and Instagram is where it's at. All right.